see it all, don't you?
Yes, ma'am.
Lord have mercy.
Hope it wasn't the lady that was earlier. Hope it wasn't the lady that was
Oh,
earlier.
Lord have mercy. Isn't that something? I guess I'm going to put all this stuff in the back.
I think they gonna.
Oh, put it all up in the front? This going in the back or the front?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
We'll let Monty get in there, and then we'll set the part of it back this way. He promised not to run too far. I may have set some up front.
Okay. I got this one here.
Yeah, I'll take
Bye. Thank you so much. I can see Thomas right in there. See Thomas in there? I can see you, Tommy.
Can you see me?
I know, but I can see. Well, I could see you before, but now I don't know. It's hard to see you through the through the. There you are. I can see you, baby. I'm gonna be keeping my eye on you. Don't you be causing no problems back there.
Come on in, we done Captain's Creek.
Oh, look at it. There he is. Okay. Okay, so we are headed now to Union, Mississippi, to the rehab. So we're about to hit the road. It was very easy transition from the bed, and the two paramedics, one is named Money and one is named Rich. I promise you, that's their name. And they helped us get him situated and settled. Okay. Here, I'm right here.
See that line?
We wouldn't run off and leave.
Oops. Uh-oh, I got caught up in here. I
knew
did it.
I knew we stopped all of a sudden, but I
Yep.
thought it was Richie stopping.
All right, we're gonna go right in there.
Oh, okay. Okay, new home.
See if we can't get some lights on.
All right.
Ooh, there we go.
Okay. Not quite as big as your other room.
That's what I told him. I said, y'all had a living room. in that room.
Wasn't it something? It was amazing. Oops. Okay.
What's up?
Tell you said, what's up? So it's 3 o'clock in the morning, and you guys can see where Grandpa is. Yeah, we're in the hospital. We're in the hospital. 3 o'clock in the morning, and Grandpa fell and broke his humerus upper right arm, and had to have surgery, and they found some other problems, but he's doing well, as you can tell. You want to say hello to your Karma babies? They hadn't talked to you. They ask about you all the time.
How you doing?
How you doing? He's in good spirits, guys. He's doing pretty good, considering we're in the best place that we could be right now, and we're just hanging out. It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
You should start from the beginning.
Okay, so.
So I get up. 2 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. To go to the washroom, my wife tells me, say, you need some help going to the washroom, let me know. But, she's such a good woman. I don't know where I would be without her. I really
you're
don't.
so sweet.
I
don't
mean,
know where I would be without you, baby.
I've been married
That's
50 years, 50 whole years.
Yes.
I don't know where I would be without her. I know I wouldn't put up with me.
Baby, that's neither here nor there. We're
the food
good
here-
together.
The food here is pretty good. So what happened was, I've got one of those walkers, and I was on the way to the washroom, and boy, you never felt nothing like that before. I thought I was going to die.
Oh, good grief.
I felt nothing like that before. I started slipping, look like it's in slow motion.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's really like it's in slow motion. And I let out a scream. I know I almost scared my wife to death. And I couldn't get up, and she helped me up. She said, call the paramedics, call the paramedics. The paramedics from Newton, Mississippi came. And I know a couple of those guys, they're real good guys, small town.
They were amazing.
Yeah, everybody knows each other,
Mm-hmm.
And they came and got me, and they were just very gentle. And it was cold. I mean, it was cold Saturday morning.
Yeah.
And they put me in there, and the ride to the hospital, Rush Hospital in Meridian, Mississippi, it was a pretty nice ride.
Mm-hmm.
As a matter of fact, it's a real good ride, more than I expected. They had a van,
Mm-hmm.
and I guess they make those vans where they're real soft, and the bumps are not that hard to make it gentle on the people.
I think that's probably the stretchers that you're on.
Well,
they probably have
It's
something
probably
in
the
them.
stretchers that I'm on, and also the shock system that's on the van itself. I think all those things play a part, and they consider that when they're making those things. But I got down here, and boy, you never felt nothing like that. I never heard. And the thing about it is, I've never been in a hospital a day in my life.
Yeah.
I never took an aspirin, never take anything, except for when I got cancer. And I tell you, it's no fun, but I don't think God don't put no more out there than He wants you to have, no more than you can handle. So, right now, getting back to where I was, my neck is hurting.
Mm-hmm.
Not only do my lower back hurting, lower left back is hurting, lower right back is hurting, upper shoulder, I don't know what they call it. Mary, what you call it? You got medical terms like a doctor. What you call it?
No, I don't.
My shoulder up here.
I'm not sure.
And the doctor and the paramedic say, yeah, it's broken.
Oh, you mean your humerus?
Humerus.
Yeah.
And they say, I had gone without the holistic treatment, and I mean, what are you going to do? I'm going to go with the conventional treatment. I figure I got nothing to lose at this point. God is with me. I think He's going to lead me down the right path.
We're going to do both, I think. We're going to continue with the holistic
stuff
to keep you strong and healthy,
right,
and try to stop the growth.
Stop the growth. And then I'm going to do the juicing and get my vitamins back and my minerals and herbs and whatever I got to do,
Yeah, because you're so thin and
everything
all.
turned out. I've lost a lot of weight. My sister Jean, she's just a doll. My other sister Helen, she's got cancer.
She's a doll too, I
she's a
tell
doll.
you. Without them, I don't know
my
what
support system
with
has
our
been-
family has been amazing.
My support system been off the chart, really. Without them, I don't know what I would do. Come to find out, I was doing the. I don't know. They got me all screwed up here with all this medication.
Well, come to find out, one thing is that you have a lot of fractures in your back.
I don't know. They say a
That's-
lot of fractures.
They say you had quite a few fractures in your
How
back.
could I get quite a few fractures? I
from-
thought they say like legions or something.
No, they said that also, babe.
Well, I'm messed
Yep.
up, man. It's messed
So-
up pretty bad.
So
huh?
he's in pretty bad shape, guys.
Pretty
But
bad
that's
shape.
I had. You see, I
My
had to.
basketball days are over. Huh?
Oh yeah, I had to get him tied down to a hospital bed to get him back with you guys to say hello again. He can't go anywhere now, guys. I got him. Remember the last video we did? We talked about how we met. I mean, you know, how we got together and how we met and all that. And we were going to
I did a CAT scan
continue.
yesterday too. Did a CAT scan yesterday.
Oh yeah, they did CAT scan. So we're going to find out more. We're going to find out more. So we just wanted to just drop in and say hello, because I'm going to be MIA from YouTube for a while, and it's going to be sporadic.
So God, pray for me.
Yes.
Pray for me. Pray for me. I know God's going to take care of me. So. Hey, I'm still hurting. I'm not hurting real bad. So I decided to. I think my wife and I decided that we're gonna do. We're gonna talk to my urologist. Is that the guy?
Oncologist.
Oncologist, urologist, bubotist, whoever.
So
I don't know. I don't know. They got all these funny names, man. Where do you come up with these names from? Huh?
Yeah, you are so silly.
You know, I'm getting my appetite back. I want some. I'm hungry.
You're always hungry at 3:00 in the morning.
Isn't that something?
I know. Guess what? I got some graham crackers
You got
and
graham
some
cracker over
peanut
there?
butter. Yeah.
What are you
So
waiting on?
okay, so tell the Karma babies you'll see them tomorrow or sometime.
I'm gonna make some
and I'm
videos
gonna make
today.
you-
I'm gonna be making videos all day today.
You are?
Yep.
Oh, pretty cool.
Absolutely. What else I gotta do?
See, I told you guys we got him now. I wish I could ask you guys to for questions to ask him, but
If you
I'm
got any
gonna.
questions, just ask. You know, I'd be more than happy to answer them.
Yes,
And
Karma babies
I'll
ask
be thinking
about
some
you.
things as I go along.
Okay.
You know, you always think of stuff like, ooh, that's a good looking egg on TV.
Oh my
Egg white
goodness.
omelets. Look at that.
Oh, that does look
Ooh.
good. They always make stuff look good on TV.
Ooh, that looks good.
So this is today is now going on Wednesday
Today's
morning.
Monday. Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday morning. No, is it Wednesday
This is
morning or
Tuesday.
Tuesday morning? Tuesday
Tuesday.
morning. Tuesday morning.
You sure you haven't been in my medication?
There's
sure
no
you have-
medication in here for me to get in, so you can't even accuse me.
You haven't been in my IV, have you?
No.
You don't know Tuesday from
From Wednesday. Yeah, I was thinking today was going to be Wednesday.
yeah,
Hard to keep
what
track
I'll
of the
do-
days.
What I'll do as I go along, because you can't think of every. Ooh, that looks good. You can't think of everything. When I say I'm looking good, I'm watching TV.
Mm-hmm.
You can't think of everything, but as I think of things, I'm gonna come back and tell my wife, get the camera. I thought
Okay.
of something else. You know?
Okay.
But God bless everybody out there. And
Karma babies,
I know I
thank
look-
you guys for
I know
always asking about them.
I know I look a mess, huh?
No, you don't. You look pretty good. I'm loving your beard and getting more and
God, I
more
forgot I
used
even
to
had
it.
on.
It's not like you can just take it off. You're going to have to shave that off. But I'm kind of liking it. Kind of
I
liking
say
it a
like
little
my
bit.
beard. I don't know where that come from.
From not shaving.
Thanks a lot.
That's where that came from.
Well,
Hmm?
a beard too. I need that medicine.
What mess?
The appetite. I need some to eat.
Ah.
I want pancakes. Those pancakes was good. yesterday.
Yeah, maybe you'll get them again for breakfast. So, guys, listen. I'm gonna cut this one short, and I'll see you guys.
You call
we'll
that
see
short?
you. Yeah, well, it was 10 minutes. Yeah, that's short.
You kidding?
Yeah, it
I
was
got a lot
10
more
minutes.
left.
Oh, okay, keep going.
Uh,
What else you got? Look at you getting your legs up and everything. That's pretty good.
okay, I'm moving my. Did I tell them I had a rod in my shoulder?
You told me you broke your humerus, but you didn't
humerus.
say you didn't say what.
Hey, what about putting a pillow at the end of my bed
Okay.
to keep it up? I don't know what I would do without you, Mary. God bless you.
Well, I don't know what I would do without you, and that's guys, when you were married for 50 years, or you are dedicated to your marriage for after 5 months, it makes no
God
difference.
forbid something happens to me, somebody. I've got the best wife in the world.
I got the best husband. We are one. We're one, and that's
what time is breakfast?
7:30. So you got what is it? 3:30.
Hey,
you
what
got
happened
4
to my
hours.
graham crackers and stuff?
I'm gonna get it for you. See, I got to get up. I got to put the camera down to get it.
Can't you walk and talk at the same time?
I can.
Can't you walk and eat graham crackers at the same time?
Can you
talk and eat peanut butter and graham crackers at the same time?
Yeah, I guess.
Can I
could.
swallow and eat graham crackers?
What is that? Rub your head, tap your head, and rub your stomach at the same time.
Yeah.
Here's some graham crackers over here.
Hey, is that same milk from yesterday? Throw it away.
Okay. It's cold over here.
It is?
But yeah, it's very
I
cold.
don't wanna take no
But
chance.
we're not going to drink it anyway.
Hey, we paid enough at this hospital. We don't have to drink it.
they'll get us some more, huh? I got to see. I got to.
Aspirin here probably costs about $30.
You know how hospitals are. Oops.
I don't want you to get choked in here.
I had to bite the package off.
So yeah, I'm looking at TV here. Oprah running for. I need peanut butter too.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down to be able to put the peanut butter on. But
yeah,
you know what? I'm gonna put the camera.
You could be an octopus.
I'm gonna put the camera. I'm gonna turn it around. Hold on. I got it.
You can be an octopus.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Let me see how ugly I look. Let me
You
see.
don't look ugly at all. You look good. I told you look very healthy. You look good. Okay.
You compare it to a orangutan.
Nah.
I can't see it. Oh, get it. Now, where's my peanut butter?
Okay.
Hey, I eat my peanut butter, and I'll probably be back a little later on. You know, it is a lot of things worse than drawing blood, you know? I thought, I got to go draw some blood. That's nothing compared to what you go through in the hospital.
That's right.
Yeah,
Well,
and
especially when you're, got a
Probably
break
like I
in
got-
your arm and all that.
Where's my peanut butter?
Okay, I got to go find it.
Find it.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.